Best free plugins for Davinci Resolve Part 4, Badwords. This is a transcription-based cutting tool that will detect and mark filler words, silences, and retakes inside of Davinci Resolve by using local AI. And yes, this works on both the free and studio version of Resolve. So to download this, you're going to come to gitlab.com/badwords. And with it open right here, you're just going to go over to releases on the right-hand side. And then right underneath packages, you'll download Badwords for either Windows or Linux, depending on what operating system you have. They will also be making a version of this for Mac in the near future. Now with that downloaded, we're just going to click on the install setup. Now on the components page, if you are using a NVIDIA GPU, make sure that that is selected. If you don't have an NVIDIA GPU, make sure you select the CPU version. From there, we're just going to click the standard install. And now that it's finished, let's open up Davinci Resolve and I'll show you exactly how to set it up. All right, so now that we're inside Davinci Resolve, you're going to drag a few clips onto your timeline. I'm using the clips from this video just for testing purposes. Once you have that, you're going to come up to workspace at the top. Then you're going to go down to scripts and you're going to click on Badwords. Once the config opens up, the first thing is model. Now you can change this depending on how much VRAM you have on your own PC. And the more VRAM you use and the larger model you use, the more accurate it'll be. And the smaller ones you use, the faster it'll be. And then under filler words, if you click edit list, these are the filler words it'll look to detect. You can add to this depending on what filler words you want. And under audio sync, you'll find silence threshold. You can change this depending on whether you want it to look for larger or smaller silences. I'm gonna leave it at 40 because I feel like that's a good base. Now with this setup, you're just going to click analyze. And once it's done transcribing, it'll open up the transcribed audio section in a new window. So on the left-hand side, you'll see original script. You can add your own script right here if you want. You don't have to. This is just if you want more precise editing. And in the middle, you will find the transcribed audio from the video clips that you have added to your timeline. And then on the right-hand side, you'll find different tools for marking modes. So what we're going to be looking for is the detect and cut out silence part. We're going to check mark that. And then at the bottom right here, we're just going to click assemble. And then once that's assembled, you'll see it will fully cut out all of the silences in your video, as you see right here on the timeline. Here's a little quick tip that might help if you have your audio recording set in stereo. When it pushes it out on this, it might only push out to the left side or right side of your speaker. So to fix that, we're going to come to the audio clip where the speaking's on and we're going to right click it. Then we're going to go to change track type to and we're going to select mono and that'll fix your audio.